Welcome to MetaMask versus OpenDime wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are in the description. In this video, we'll compare MetaMask and OpenDime wallet, focusing on their features, target users, and how they differ fundamentally to help you decide which is right for you. MetaMask is a software-based, non-custodial wallet built for Ethereum and EVM-compatible blockchains. Available as a browser extension and mobile app, it allows users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies while accessing decentralized applications, dApps, like DeFi platforms and NFT marketplaces. Its flexibility, support for multiple networks, and ease of integration with DeFi tools make it ideal for active traders and developers. MetaMask stores private keys locally on your device, secured with a password and seed phrase, offering strong self-custody. However, its focus on Ethereum means it doesn't natively support Bitcoin or other non-EVM chains, which may limit its appeal for some users. OpenDime, by contrast, is a hardware-based Bitcoin wallet designed for secure offline storage and peer-to-peer transactions. Dubbed a Bitcoin stick, it functions like a physical bearer instrument where possession equates to ownership. OpenDime doesn't require a password, PIN, or seed phrase, making it tamper-evident and extremely secure for storing Bitcoin. It's perfect for those looking to store Bitcoin long-term or use it in face-to-face transactions where trust is essential. However, OpenDime's focus is strictly on Bitcoin, so it doesn't support any other cryptocurrencies or dApp functionality. Additionally, it is single-use. Once you unlock it to access the private key, the device cannot be reused. So, which is better? MetaMask is the clear choice for users who are active in the Ethereum ecosystem, require access to dApps, or need flexibility across multiple chains. OpenDime excels as a secure offline solution for Bitcoin maximalists who value physical ownership and offline security. If you're a Bitcoin-only user with a focus on long-term storage or physical transactions, OpenDime is unmatched. For Ethereum and broader crypto use cases, MetaMask is the superior choice. Check the links in the description to explore these wallets further and choose the one that fits your crypto needs best.